going to demonstrate the universal solution for the wood puzzles. This works well with the cube, the ball, and the cube ball. The only difference between these puzzles is with the ball, the corners are rounded off, and with the cube, the centers are squared off. I'm going to demonstrate the solution with the cube ball today because it's a little bit bigger and it'll make it easier for the demonstration. We'll put these others aside. In order to understand how to put it together, you have to understand how to take it apart. So I'm going to show you how to disassemble the puzzle. And what you have to do is you have to find the center bar that slides out. In this case, I know it's here. So you push that, and then this piece comes out. It looks like kind of a crossbow as it comes out, and the first thing to drop out is this double notch block here. It could be square with a cube, but here it's round with a cube ball. I put that down just like it came out, and then that allows the primary locking bar to come out, and I put that down just like it came out. Now we're going to go after this secondary locking bar here, and in order to get that out, you have to push it down in order so that in order for it to clear this double notch block here. So I'm just going to now slide that secondary locking bar out like that, and then put that down on the table just like I took it out. And that allows me to take out then this second double notch block, and notice that it came out with a notch up. I'm going to put it down like that on the table. Now in order to take the deconstruct it further, you have to take out these lateral spanners. These lateral spanners will take out the one on the right first, and it has a tab and a notch. The notch is up, so that's the right side. Hold it together, take out the tab notch spanner on the left, and now the puzzle's ready to just fall apart. I'm going to then turn it on its side like this so that I can take off the first H block, and then the upper spanner like this, and then I can take the single notch blocks. Again, these are curved rather than square like with a cube, one on each side. Put those onto my template, and then the final spanner, which is the lower spanner, and then the lower H block. For the assembly, we just reverse the steps, starting with the H block, and then the lower spanner, the single notch block on the upper side, single notch block on the lower side, then the upper spanner like this. It just falls into the notch like that. And we take the H block with the slot here, the H block right on top here like this. Now remember, this center section wants to slide, so we want to stabilize that by compressing it like this. And then I just turn it up a quarter turn like this, and we're going to stabilize it by putting the tab spanners on either side. First one on the right side, that lock that in. Make sure that it's snug. Continue to hold firmly. I'm going to take the other tab spanner on the lateral side on the left, and we're going to just insert that like that. And this locks everything together. Notice that the center now tends to want to just drift down, and we go ahead and encourage that. Sometimes this single notch block doesn't go down. You want to just put your fingernails on both sides and pull that down like that. So now we're ready to go. I'm going to insert the secondary spanner, or the secondary locking block, in this slot right here, and then push it over here until it comes flush with the other side. That creates a spot to put in the side block. Again, it's a double notch block, and it's going to fit right underneath that single notch spanner like that. Now we're ready to assemble the puzzle. I just put it down on the table and allow the center to push up. Sometimes the center block doesn't come up, and we just pull that up with our fingernails, and that creates a channel down the back here like this. This is the back side, so we want to go over to the front side here and insert the primary locking bar right down the center of that, like that. And just insert it far enough so that there's room to put in the double notch block that goes on the outside here. And once you do that, you can just assemble it like that, lock everything home, and you're ready to go. I hope that's helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And when you hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell next to the button so you can receive my future videos. Thanks for watching.